Hello and welcome to another WinGate 7 Sneak Peek Series video. In this video we're going to have a look around WinGate 7 and show you how to drive the new interface, which is substantially different to earlier versions. Click the WinGate icon to open the WinGate Management Console and log into WinGate. The overall layout of the interface is based around panels. On the left are the navigation and task panels, on the right the help panel, and in the middle your currently selected location. The layout is customizable, so you can adjust it to suit your requirements and available screen size. Panels can be resized, and side panels can be pinned or unpinned. When a panel has been unpinned, either hover over it or click it to have it fly out. You can now click on whatever you need in the panel, and when you click somewhere else in the interface, the panel will hide itself again. Click the Pin button to repin the panel to the interface. The navigation, tasks and help panels, as well as several of the location panels such as the activity, dashboards, email and logging, can all be undocked. Double-click a panel to undock it and move it around the screen, right out of the UI if necessary. This can be very useful if you have multiple screens or need to keep track of different panels at the same time. I'll double-click that panel to return it to its previous location. Then, as an example, I will undock my web access dashboard so that I can view both the dashboard and the activity panel while I open my web browser. As you can see, both the dashboard and the activity panel are updating in real time as the browser connects. Some panels can be moved to different locations by dragging them to one of the location markers. A layout is saved separately for each user and each different WinGate server you connect to. While you'll mostly move around the interface with the navigation panel, you can also use the breadcrumbs at the top of the window. WinGate keeps track of your navigation history, so you can move back and forth through your navigation history using the back and forward arrows, or by pressing Alt left or Alt right on the keyboard. The Tasks panel gives you the different actions that you can take within a panel and updates as you move through the interface. Let's have a closer look at that feedback panel for a second. All panels within the interface allow you to post feedback about them directly to the Cubic help desk. Just fill in the star ratings, add any comments, and submit your feedback. You don't have to include your email address, but if you do, then the help desk will contact you. Report controls are used whenever we display lists. For example, we see a report control on the global data panel of the data location. We also see one on the monitoring panel. This report control displays all of the data sources in WinGate. Report controls can be customized by dragging headers to the top of the window, and just like the other panels, your settings will be retained if you log off and log back on. The help file can be accessed by pressing F1, and note the link to the online version. There is also an in-product help, which is dynamic and updates as you navigate through the different panels. Active headings in the help panel hide instructions to help you perform a task, while underlined links open different panels. When you create or edit a policy, you can make notes as a reminder of what you've changed or to remember how the policy is set up. These notes are visible to all users, so they're a great way to communicate with other administrators about what you've done or changed. Finally, by clicking on the Cubic logo in the upper left corner, you can stop or restart the WinGate engine, view the connection options, or edit your confirmation settings. Hopefully that's helped you find your way around the WinGate Management Console. For more information or to try WinGate 7 for yourself, visit wingate7.com. Thanks for watching.